Hi, and welcome to Beazley Boorman Lawyers. Today, we are going to look at drink driving offences in New South Wales.
Hi guys, and welcome to Sydney Drink Driving. I'm Josh Boorman, solicitor at Beazley Boorman Lawyers. I'm just here outside of the Hornsby Local Court in North Sydney, and I've just been in and represented a client of mine on a low-range PCA offence, or low-range drink driving. It was a relatively low blood alcohol reading at 0.058. But the concerning thing with this offence was that it wasn't my client's first time. He has 2 prior drink driving offences, with the latest being only 4 years ago. So basically that means he is considered a repeat offender, especially in relation to the prior offence 4 years ago. Any second or subsequent offence within a 5-year period automatically means that offenders will have to enter into an alcohol interlock program for a specific period of time. Now, these new laws came into effect as of 1st of February, making any high-range drink drivers or repeat offenders with 2 or more major traffic offences within the last 5 years. It means that basically they will it's mandatory for them to enter into the alcohol interlock program. But what we were able to do, we were able to explain to the court some of the circumstances surrounding why my client got into the car and what significant steps he has taken since the offence occurred to go to fix the root cause of his offending behaviour, and this is obviously his alcohol abuse and alcoholism. So basically, first step was we got him along to the traffic offenders program. That was the fully approved 6-week course at the Hornsby PCYC, or Police Citizens Youth Club. He completed that to a good standard, and what he did notice after having halfway through completing this course is that he should go along and see a medical practitioner or a GP to obtain some sort of professional medical help, and that's exactly what he did. He was able to go along, speak to a doctor, and the doctor was able to prescribe him with some medication to abstain him from drinking alcohol and certainly go to helping his alcoholism. And we were basically able to tender evidence to the court today to show that he had been prescribed with this medication, he had seen the doctor, and that he was doing well after taking this medication. So this was all well received by the magistrate, who was glad to hear as a repeat offender that he has taken some intervention and some significant steps in going to fix the root cause of his offending behaviour, which is his alcoholism. The other thing, we were able to show the court that he is a father with a young boy, he shares custody of his child, and he does have significant parental responsibilities in looking after his son. Not only that, as a person who works in the trade industry, he is required to drive his vehicle and ute for the purpose of not just getting out to work at various different locations throughout Sydney, but also to transport heavy tools and equipment to and from each location throughout the day. So it was impressed upon the court that the time that he is off the road for, he will be unable to work, and this will, and as a result, he will suffer significant financial hardship. So we were able to get the automatic period reduced and his disqualification period reduced, and ultimately he was disqualified for a period of 1 month starting from today. However, he does have to complete the 12 months minimum period for the alcohol interlock participation period. And certainly my client was very apologetic and remorseful over this incident. It was a relatively low range reading at 0.058, but he does know that the legal limit is there for a reason. He's far better educated on driver safety, having now completed the traffic offenders program, and certainly he's very willing to comply with the interlock program so as to move forward with his life and be able to continue earning an income for him and his young son. The other biggest thing out of this, which was a real positive, is the fact that he has obtained professional medical help. He's been prescribed with medication, and since he's been on the medication, he has not consumed any alcohol whatsoever. So this is definitely positive steps in the right direction, and I think my client is certainly on a good positive track heading into the future. So guys, if you have been caught up with any sort of traffic matter, or in particular a drink driving offence in or around Sydney, then please feel free to give me a call. My name is Joshua Boorman. Our law firm is Beazley Boorman Lawyers. You can find us on the internet, or if you want to check out our drink driving website, it is sydneydrinkdriving.com.au. We do matters on a fixed fee basis, so you know exactly how much money you're going to be up for in relation to legal fees from the get-go. There's no surprises along the way or anything like that. And we can, if you don't have the money straight away, you can enter into payment plans. But it is certainly worthwhile if you have been done for drink driving, organising a well-prepared case to present before the court, because it can significantly reduce the time of disqualification that you receive by the court, and it can help you get back on with your normal day-to-day life and get back on the road. So guys, feel free, if you want to give me a call at the office, 92838622. I'm happy to have a first free telephone consult with anyone about their matter, about their offence or situation that they're in, what they can expect, and the best sort of way that we look at preparing a case. Or alternatively, jump on the website sydneydrinkdriving.com.au. There's plenty of information there. There's videos there, there's blog posts, there's articles, there's information regarding traffic offenders programs, and laws and everything surrounding drink driving. So please, your first port of call would probably be go to the website, read up a bit on your situation, give me a call. Happy to have a free first telephone consult with you. And then if you want to engage us or myself to represent you, we can certainly discuss about how we go about that. All right, guys, going to leave you now, and until next time, thanks for tuning in. Bye.